On the ground. Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah. Hey, you!
Yeah?
You want to learn how to defeat your enemies?
Yeah?
Well, you can do it in 2 easy steps. Catch!
Ping pong ball?
You're supposed to use it. Now catch! Now get up! You can use these to defeat your enemies.
How do I use a ping pong ball to defeat my enemy?
Science!
I learned how to defeat my enemy. Disorientation.
Oh, I think we need to get... What was that? I'm completely and utterly disorientated. This experiment with the ping pong ball demonstrated a chemical change. This is a chemical change because when the ping pong ball was ignited, there are several chemical properties that are contained inside of the ping pong ball that have explosive reactions when ignited by a flame. And this is an example of combustion, which is a chemical change. Another property of this experiment, which is a chemical change, is that a new substance was given off. Because when the ping pong ball was ignited, it created a large burst of flame in an outward motion, which is a different substance than what it began with.
Yes! Enemy is disorientated. But now what?
Well, I'll tell you what you're gonna do.
A cannon.
It's a hand cannon.
So a gun.
No, it's a hand cannon.
So how is this gonna help me defeat my enemies?
We're gonna use science.
What science is there in a hand cannon?
Well, I'll tell you. In the second experiment that was tested, it was a cannon made using the properties of Charles' Law. This was made out of simple materials. The barrel was a plastic pipe. The stopper at the end was wrapped around with tape so no air or heat could escape from the other end. And then it was plugged with tissue paper, and inside the tissue paper there were airsoft pellets used as the material that was being shot. And as the substance that was giving off the energy, we put a firecracker inside of the barrel. And it was creating a burst of hot air, which is a demonstration of Charles' Law, because as the air temperature inside of the tube increases, the volume of the air will want to expand, shooting out the tissue with the pellets inside of it. This cannon that we made could be related to a current-day gun, because it uses the same concepts of air escaping through one point and have it being stopped at another to increase pressure, shooting out the bullet, which is just like a current-day gun. What was that?
That was a disorientation tactic. Now I'm gonna defeat you. Whoa! I have defeated my enemy! See? Science does make you cool.
And you have now used these 2 easy steps to defeat your enemy.